YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday late night. Sorry for the late video tonight. Been one of those days, internet's been screwing up, but we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, check them out, and see what the other goodies they have to offer. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And this is a paid for video. Definitely check them out. Like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer. Just like this. It's that season again coming up. Here we go. Lenovo USB-C hub. Yes, indeed. Could never have enough of these. Might want to grab a couple for backup for your laptops, Macs, your tablets, iPads. Oh man, it's raining today, or some kind of looks like snow out there. Now let me open this thing up and show you what it looks like. Ooh, nice packaging. And there's the front of the box. Got the stamp of approval. Official product, Lenovo. Got the USB ports right there, 1, 2, 3. All the good stuff on the back. Throw this one out. Now we get to open this part. Lenovo. Cut right there. Snip, snip. There's a TF reader. Ooh, nice. Nice travel pouch. TF, good stuff, all that. Hook it up to your phone. Android. Computer went crazy for a second. Interesting. Oh, I do got my backup phone. So this is what it looks like right here, guys. There's the USBs. Memory SD, the TF reader, side, really lightweight, nice flexible cord, bend it out, stretch. I think this should fit. Yeah, see? Got my other phone like this. Oops, sorry about the dirtiness. A little dirty. But there we go. We got it hooked up to there. And like I said, you could use your other iPhones, tablets, MacBooks, and just upload some stuff, whatever you have on your files. Good for music and charging other devices too. So when you guys got some free time, click on a link down below. What else you have? Memory cards. You could fit those easily in there. And there's a TF reader right there. So really cool, like I said. Comes with a nice little travel pouch to take along with you on the road, at work, for DJs. This would be a great thing for podcasters, gamers, vloggers, bloggers, pretty much everybody. I'll get up to the tablet. Get the manual, see if I missed out anything. I don't think I have. But other than that, just check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. Do USB-C, excuse me, 44 grams, USB TF card slot, SD card slot, USB 3.0 port, data transfer up to 5G BPS, support a memory card up to 512, read write speed up to 100 Mbps, System requirements: Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac 10.6. Note: for Windows 7, setup is required. Plug and play, yes. So it should automatically read it once you plug it in to your device. So that's it. Pretty cool. Thank you guys at Lenovo. Awesome stuff. YouTubers, get them at low cost. Check them out. And you guys have a good night. Be safe and see ya.